In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize dynamic island on Poco C75. Search the dynamic spot, open the application. Now go in position. As you can see, dynamic island is not at the right place. So I will simply move it to upper side by customizing the position vertical. As you can see, it is going upwards. Now it is looking good. Here are some other options. You can customize it, like you can increase the size in horizontal and in vertical, or you can decrease the size. Here you get the reset option and edge rounding option. If you go back, go in appearance, scroll down. Here you get the color option. Let's say I want to set the red color, or you can set the custom color. Tap on OK. Now here are some other settings. Now let's check it out. As you can see, dynamic island color is changed. So this is how you can customize dynamic island on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.